given an integer array nums and integer val, remove all occurrences of val in nums in place. The order of the element may be changed, then return the number of elements in nums which are not set, not equal to val. Consider the number of elements in nums which are not equal to val bk. To be accepted, you need to do the following things: change the array num such that the first k elements of the nums contain the elements which are not equals to val. The remaining elements of nums are not important as well as the size of nums return k. So we have this is the judge. So basically, we're going to have our nums array, and then our value, the value to not count, and then the output line. So how much numbers we have, that's not the value number in our list. So example one, we have nums list, and our value is 3. So all the values here that is not 3 is 2. That's our output is 2, and we see how we counted it on our list to rearrange it for it to be this way. And here's the explanation written down in example 2. We have our nums array, varies 2, so all the numbers here is not 2 counted, it says 5. So that's how, and this is how it's been arranged, and here's the explanation written down. So how are we going to solve this? So this is a 2-pointer problem. 2-pointer problem. So time complexity will be or and space complexity of O of 1. Let's make j. Let's make our first index to be j. One pointer at index 0 for second pointer iteration for I in the range of the line of nums. Okay, so for I in the range the line of nums, if nums I is not equals to val, so value, so if it's not equals to this, so for example here we're going to come here. So if this, so we start from here, index 0, so we start both of these index from here. So this is equals to this, so that won't be the case. So nums j would then be equals to nums I. So for example here, we're going to move here. We're going to once we're done with this one does not meet this condition, so we're going to move on to the next iteration. This one is still here, and this becomes this. J becomes this now. J becomes equals to this, and then we move here. We move to the next one. Nums hold on, j plus 1, and that's basically it. Return j, that would be how much we have. Index of j will how many non-valid integers that we have in nums. So that's basically it. So we're going to go do it over again. This now equals to this, so that then this will become this. Come here, and then we're going to come here, and then this. This basically it. So let's run to see if it's going to pass, and it's been able to. It's been accepted, and let's submit. And it's been accepted. So that's it for this problem. It's a simple 2 pointers problem.